So yes, hello everyone, and I'm Henry Joseph, and I'm presenting this project. So this project is called ChatPDF. So what ChatPDF does, it is an interactive PDF analysis and Q&A platform that uses artificial intelligence. So you upload PDFs and ask questions, and it utilizes Langchain, OpenAI, and Hugging Face for the enhanced insights and collaboration. So it has a simple document interaction. So I can come, let me go to the project here. So I can log into the project because the server has already been started. So I used Django and to develop the project and Bootstrap mainly. So as you can see here, the project, the features that are there, you have the home, you have the AI chat itself, which you can click here and upload, and then chat, which I'm going to demonstrate in a few. So you have the frequently asked questions here, you have the contact us, then you have the pricing here. So in this case I'm using Uganda shillings 2000 because I developed it in the context of Uganda, but you can change that. So first I need to buy tokens before I can interact with my AI. So I'll have to click on buy tokens. I come here to buy. Here I will enter my phone number because it's using mobile money. Then from there I will enter my email. Then I will enter that. So my email, I will enter this. Should I enter that? No. Should I enter this? No. I should enter. Which email should I enter? Should enter that. Then I buy tokens for 5,000. So I click on buy tokens. Take some time, and I'm using Flutterwave to develop this project. So in my test environment, I can verify my OTP, verifies my push notification, verified. So now I have 2,500 tokens. So from my 2,500 tokens, I can upload a file here. So the file I'm going to upload will be, let me upload this letter. So I'll upload the letter. So when I upload the letter, I can converse. I can tell it what is this document about. So I tell it what this document is about. It's telling me it's a document about a request to visit Mughunda Gen Coffee Factory by Chambogo University Mechanical Engineering Students Association. I can say what are the details. What are the details? So it says the Chambogo University Mechanical Engineering Students Association is requesting to visit Mughunda Gen Coffee Factory in late August. They would like to tour the coffee processing facilities, learn about the machinery and equipment. So that is what this file is about. So I can converse about this file. So if I do a bit of a refresh here, you can see that I've used some tokens in my conversation. So in my conversation, I've used approximately 10 tokens in my conversation. So here I can view notifications that have been sent to me. Then also I have my profile here. So from my profile, it also shows me how many tokens I have. I can buy tokens. I can go to settings and I can update my profile here in settings. And that is basically it about this project. So that is basically it about this project. Thank you very much for listening.